Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lucy, welcome. And today I'm doing something different, something I've never done before. I'm gonna do more vlogging video, and it's the second video of my three-part Jeffree Star series. I already uploaded the review of Jawbreaker collection, and today we're gonna dig into all those goodies I got at Tati Lashes, Jeffree Star and MMMMitchell Masterclasses. And my third video is gonna be in-depth review of the Masterclasses. I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks that Mitchell and Jeffree Star taught us on those Masterclasses. I'm gonna spill some tea. I'm gonna include you on the secrets about new Jeffree Star products. So it's gonna be a very good one, and I'm gonna upload this video hopefully in the mid of this week. And without any further ado, let's dig into this huge bag. Oh, and by the way, I'm trying to do this in one take. Will I be able? We don't know. Let's see. Okay, so first of all, I need to brag a little bit. Jeffree signed my Jawbreaker palette. Look at this. I'm so happy. But obviously the Jawbreaker palette wasn't included in that bag. Oh, and I got gold ticket. So it's quite a good bag, but not as good as VIP one. The VIP's got more products. They got Thirsty palette and some other exclusive products. But am I complaining? No. So, okay, let's dig into the bag. I haven't seen the products yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me as well. So I got hair mask. I've tried this one. It's available at Primark. Well, with my thick long hair, it's not enough, but thank you. We got, of course, Tati Lashes. Ooh. Oh, you can never have too many lashes. And we have 4 styles inside. Something more everyday. Another everyday style. Ooh, those are pretty. TL38 and TL39, also very nice. We have nothing interesting. My notes from Masterclasses. As I said, I'll do the whole makeup haul routine that Mitchell did on Jeffree, so stay tuned. Oh, notepad. Here we have pretty little thing, little funny pack moment. Let me just open this. Okay, quite cute. Will I wear it? Probably not. Here we have Mask Bar Illuminating Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Yes, please. Ooh, another notepad. Oh, and by the way, if you want me to share some of the products from this goodie bag in my next giveaway, leave the comment down below. Here we have Tan Logic Express Tan Self Tan Water. I wanted to try tanning water, so I'm happy I get one to try on. Oh, this is huge. So we have Burn Book, little Mean Girls moment, and this is a bag. Let me open this. So we have a Burn Book bag. I'm so stupid. It's not a bag. It's a brush case. Oh my god, this is so damn cute. Oh my god, you can never have too many brushes. So I'm super happy with those. And those are pink with a little purple at the end. Oh, super soft. I might include this in my next giveaway, or I'm gonna use this in my next video. We'll see. Oh, I have some potato chips left over because I've tried to be on diet, but it didn't work. And oh, I'm so happy I have this. I was planning to buy this for so long, but for some reason it never happened. But now I know why, because I got this in the goodie bag. This is Sub-Zero highlighting palette from MMMMitchell. I have another hair mask. Discount code. Shut the front door. Jeffree Star Platinum Eyes Highlighter Palette. Oh my god, this one I have to open. Oh my god, this is another thing that I wanted to buy. I'm super happy. We have another Jeffree Star product. This is a lip scrub in shade, maybe not shade, in taste, in flavor, pink lemonade. We all love pink lemonade. Well, at least I do. I have Nails Ink Rainbow Nail Polish Duo. One is quite nice lilac shade and some crazy glitters. Thank you. We have, what we have here? Iconic London Prep Set Glow. Ooh, I heard a lot about this. Let me just, okay. I'm trying to open this as fast as I can. Okay, let's rip this open. I don't have time. Look at this. This is the spray with those gold particles inside. Everyone is living for this, so finally I'm gonna be able to try this. Okay, this is nice. And has such amazing scent. Oh my god, in summer, all over the body, on legs. I'm living. Okay, what's next? I have, what the fuck is this? Mark Hill XL Volume Amplifying Serum Collagen Filler for hair. Well, I think I have enough of hair, but I know few people that will love this. What else? Another Jeffree Star product. This is a liquid frost in shade Blue Balls. Oh my god, those names. Jeffree. And a little fun fact, my first YouTube video was actually the review of liquid frost in the shade that, the name I don't remember right now, and to the Blue Balls liquid frost. It's not something I would use every day, but for like a creative makeup or drag makeup, definitely. My Jeffree Star collection is growing, love it. What else? Oh my god, this is ISO Clean, and this is a brush cleanser that MMMMitchell is using, and he said this is amazing, so now I can try it as well. What else? Oh, we have another Tati Lashes, and this is the collaboration with MMMMitchell. And actually one of the products that they teased on the masterclasses was Tati Lashes MMMMitchell 2, and I will show you the set in my next video. What else we got? This is Nip and Fab Contour Palette. Well, this is useless. Like, the lightest shade for me is gonna be definitely too dark. This orange, like, are you serious? Oh, we have a Radial Moment Instaglam Compact Deluxe Highlighting Powder. This brand isn't cheap, so I feel spoiled right now. And look at this packaging, the metallic logo and the folder in the back. Look at this. This is pretty. I don't know if I should swatch this or should I include this in my giveaway. Okay, for now I'm gonna put this back in the box. What else? We have Hey Big Blender, and this is Tati Lash's version of Beauty Blender. And again, the same story as with the brushes. You cannot have too many beauty blenders. What else? Another Jeffree Star product. This is Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin, and this is the shade that I wanted to buy for myself. Oh my god, they read my mind. This is like this perfect nude, maybe more orangey. Ooh. Oh, nice. And we have, ooh, oh my god, another product that I wanted to buy. Like seriously, they read my shopping list. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel. I got shade dark brown. Okay, I can work with that. Then we have NYX Epic Ink Liner. Always useful. What else? Oh, and pens. That's all. So as you saw, there is a lot of products. So let me know in the comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway with some of those products. And see you on my next video when I'm gonna do the makeup that Mitchell did on Jeffree, and I'm gonna spill some tea. It's gonna be hot. Bye!